Welcome back guys to another video. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to install mods on a Terraria server. First thing, you need to log in to hPanel on TModLoader, then navigate to the VPS page. Find your game panel server and click on Manage. Now press Manage Panel and log in with your credentials. You should go now to Instances, then Create Instance and choose TModLoader 1.4 Plus from the drop-down menu. Then press Create Instance to complete the setup. Now after creating the instance, the server will automatically start. You'll see the running status in the Instances section. Access the server via SSH, then run it. Now set up the following: world size to small, medium or large, difficulty level to normal, expert, master or journey, or server password, it's optional for restricting access. Using TModLoader, launch TModLoader on your computer, then go to mod browser and search for the mods you want. Click download to add the mods to your local Terraria folder. Now go to File Manager, ModLoader, then Mods. Upload the .tmod files and open the enable.json file. List the mod names without the tmod extension as a JSON array. Then save the file, then restart the server. Now open the enable.json file and add the mod names similarly. Restart the server, and when you're done, just launch the Terraria and join your server. Check the mod list in the server console to ensure they are loaded correctly. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.